Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to check no caller ID number, and start by opening setting on your mobile device and setting, and scroll down and top phone, look for call blocking and identification. This option and maybe not available on all phone model and or older version, and however the latest version you will find this option, and make sure turn the help identify and incoming calls. Next, go back, show my caller ID, and ensure you that caller ID enabled so that your phone number is displayed when you're making outgoing calls. If you receive all call from announced number and are no caller ID are couple of things, and you can try to identify caller method. Use the start 69 code with another option. Start 57 to use the star in 69. Simply go back the phone, add the ND star 69, then press call. Should display provisionally called number directly on your screen. This don't work, you can try star 76, and which maybe help identify caller ID. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then comment, like, share this video for more content.